Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, Samsung confirms Galaxy S25 will get major upgrades. Samsung is gearing up to launch its flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25, which is expected to be one of the most interesting devices of the next year. The latest leaks as well as some confirmed information about the upcoming Galaxy S25 specifications point to significant improvements in camera and display department. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. According to Sammobile, the Galaxy S25 will receive a major upgrades. In the photography department, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature a 200 megapixel main camera for better detail in photos, including in low light conditions, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera. In addition, it is planned to introduce new image processing algorithms, which should also improve their quality. In particular, the colors will become more saturated and noise level will decrease. The characteristics of the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus cameras will receive history-changing changes. The telephoto camera of the Galaxy S25 and Plus model will be upgraded as well. An equally significant improvement will be the display. The Galaxy S25 will be equipped with a screen with next-generation OLED technology, which will provide brighter and more contrasting colors and improved visibility in bright outdoor conditions. The display is expected to support a refresh rate up to 120 Hz for smoother interface and for improved image realism and color gradation. The format HDR10 Plus, which allows for high dynamic range. Samsung MX Vice President Daniel Arujo emphasized that the smartphone will have the industry's best processor and memory for improved AI performance. We are talking about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, which Orion CPU cores from Qualcomm, which the company will introduce in 2 months. Daniel also noted that Samsung is working with Google to improve AI features, and looking forward, we expect to be able to understand the context of messages to provide better AI experiences on your devices. To achieve this, we will strengthen our partnership while further developing our AI technologies. It is expected that the new Galaxy S25 series will be officially unveiled in January or early February 2025. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.